Very good morning, folks. We're still in Dehradun, but not for long. Today is the last day of our trip and we'll be making our way back to New Delhi. Of course, when you're going back, you're not super excited, but still, riding such motorcycles on beautiful roads is always very exciting.
So we're all prepped and ready to go. Yeah, this is what I look like from inside the helmet. The bikes are ready. This time I'll be riding the Bobber and Bobby Roy is riding the Street Triple. And Puneet here is here. As usual, all old faithful come to see us off. He is wearing a helmet. And Bobby Roy as...
Hello, good morning.
As Bobby Roy. He has not yet put on his helmet. So guys, we'll make our way back to Delhi. Let's see what the road holds for us. We got out of Dehradun and on the way back to Delhi, we found these twisties right in the middle of a forest, having a great ride, and we decided to stop here to take a few shots. And I'm walking in the middle of that jungle right now, surrounded by beautiful, huge trees, lovely green leaves, and the sun filtering through the trees. Absolutely wonderful. When you are traveling in India, you come across some of the most beautiful places that you will see anywhere else in the world. You see, coming back from there, then on the way to Delhi, when we hit the plains, you come to these places like in Punjab, Haryana. These places you have kilometers and kilometers of wheat fields. That's what you get to see here right now. The wheat is almost ripe. And in such moments, all you do is just stop, take a moment, enjoy the place, enjoy the ambience, enjoy the location. It's so beautiful, it calms your senses, soothes your mind, and you just really melt yourself into the nature. Folks, come closer. Do you know what this is? These are Cowdung cakes. No, it's not to eat. This is to burn. This is a mix of cowdung and chopped hay, and they mix it up and dry it and use it for cooking. That's what a lot of many millions, hundreds of millions of people use in home to cook. This is 97 octane for the kitchen. Specific.